How to convert OPUS to MP3 using Switch Audio Converter. Drag and drop your OPUS file into Switch. Select MP3 from the Output Format dropdown, click Convert. For more information on converting OPUS to MP3, continue watching. Click on the Add File button, select the OPUS files you wish to convert and click Open. You can also drag and drop your OPUS files directly into Switch. Set the output folder where you would like your converted files to be saved. By default, this is the same as the source file. Click on Browse, choose your folder, and click Select Folder. In the Output Format drop-down section, select MP3. Click on Convert to start converting the selected OPUS files into MP3. To convert just one file, select the desired file and click Convert. For more Switch Audio Converter tutorials, please visit the address shown on your screen.